what I mean? About to put it down, you know, if you was over my soul stand up, you know what I'm saying? About to put it down for all my Haitians, you know what I'm saying? So like I'm about to give it out for, you know, for the kids and all that. So just show love, you know what I mean? Cause like, you know what I mean, man? I gotta show up to my soul 100%.
Yo, what's up? You know it's your boy JCreole. I'm in North Miami, you feel me? Like we out in like a little Creole, you know what I mean? Haitian Creole out here. You know, KJ got some chicken, you feel me? Yeah, man, we keep it out here. We just came from North Miami Senior High. You know, drop it down, you feel me? For all my young souls. So now, just having some Creole, you know, Haitian style, you already know. Keep it 100, man. Zoned out. Don't forget to download that Don Status mixtape, you know. Right now we're in South Beach, you feel me? Like we keep it 100 all day, you did. So like just going for a little, now me a little swim in the water, you feel me? So I put a little picture that blue and red flag, so flag already, you know. Yeah, man. So download the mixtape, Don Status, you know. Yo, you already know we put in work in that Don Status music video coming soon. So like watch that, respect for that. You know what I mean? So like that, we leave it out, man. We leave it out. Miami Beach, South Beach, you know, you know it's all day, man. JCreole, Don Status, all day. Haha.
No investment cause I be looking at them billionaires. I'm trying to be a trillionaire. Sky is your